Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and enjoying your holidays. In the last lecture, we discussed about the habitat and different kind of animals live in different habitat. Today we'll start a new topic. As we all know that all animals are not eat the same food. Some animals eat plant, some animals eat the flesh of other animals, and some animals eat both. They eat plant as well as the flesh of other animals. And there are also some animals who eat the dead animals only. So, animals can divide it into categories based on their eating habitat. So now today's topic is adaptation for food, which means the animals can divide it into different categories based on their eating habit. Say herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, decomposers. These are the five eating habit of animals. So let's start with herbivores. Herbivores are the animals that eat only plants or plant products are known as herbivores. For example, deer, goat, buffalo, cow, and many more. These animals usually eat plant parts like leaves, roots, fruits, barks, and grasses. These animals have sharp cutting front teeth and strong grinding flat teeth so as they break plant material into smaller pieces and chew it properly. As you see that the goat, cow, buffalo, they all have sharp cutting front teeth which they help them to cut, which they helping for cutting, and they have grinding flat teeth, and these teeth they use as breaking plant material into smaller pieces and chew it properly for digestion. Okay, so now let's forward to carnivores animals. So carnivores animals are that animals that eat flesh of other animals are known as carnivores. So there are some animals like lion, tiger, wolf, shark, whales. These are the some animals they eat only the flesh of other animals. They animals not eat any plant or plant product. They eat only flesh of other animals. That's why these animals are called carnivores. These animals have sharp teeth and claws to grasp and tear the flesh, which means they using their sharp teeth, their front teeth are very sharp and their claws are very strong, and they using these two for grasping and tearing the flesh of animal. Okay, but there are some birds also, such as eagle and vulture. These two birds are also flesh eating. These two birds have sharp claws to catch their prey, and they also have hooked beak. Now you can see the beak of eagle and vulture, they are in hooked shape, which they use in tearing of the flesh of animals. So what we discuss is the animals that eat the flesh of other animals. Those animals are called carnivores. Example: vulture, eagle, wolf, tiger, lion, etc. These animals are called carnivores. Let's move forward to the third one. The third one is omnivores. So, some animals in the earth eat both plant as well as flesh of other animals. So, these animals are called omnivores. Omnivores are the animals that eat both plant and animals are known as carnivores. For example, bear, raccoon, crow, etc. These animals eat plant as well as flesh of other animal. Omnivores animals are the animals who enjoy both plants as well as flesh of other animals. Understand? Now let's forward to the fourth one. Fourth one is scavengers. Scavengers are generally those animals that feed on the dead and decaying organic matter. They are known as scavengers. For example, vulture, hyena, cockroach. These animals eat the dead animals. These animals not hunt the animal, but these animals eat only the dead animal. The animal also called carnivores, but the carnivores hunt the animal, then they eat the flesh of the animals. But these animals eat only the dead animals. Vultures are in the both categories, as well as in scavengers as well as in omnivores. Okay, but cockroach is same, who enjoying the both plant as well as animals. They eat both dead part of animal as well as plant. Okay, so now let's forward to the last one. Decomposers. Decomposers are those microorganisms and germs that feed on the dead and decaying organic matter, and they convert these dead and decaying organic matter into nutrients to enrich the soil, and or we call them decomposers. For example, bacteria, germs, virus, etc. You can see on the mushroom there are some bacteria and the germs on their body on mushroom, and as well as in these animals you can also see some germs, it start appearing on their body. These bacteria and germs start appearing on their body when these organisms died. Okay, and they it start decomposing them into the small pieces, and after some time they eat all the living organisms and mix it into the soil, in which they enrich the soil nutrients, which is very helpful for the crops because they increase the fertility of soil. Okay, so today we discussed the different eating habit of different animals. Say decomposers, scavengers, omnivores, carnivores, herbivores. Hope you all understand the eating habit of different animals on the basis of herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, decomposer. I'll give you a one worksheet and you have to complete that worksheet in your previous year science notebook. And remember one thing, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.